The captain has already informed us that the weather condition in the airport is not conducive, so he will remain whole for the next 20 minutes. So we'll keep on circling for 20 minutes so that he will be given a clearance to land. This is my first time to experience this challenge. So the captain will keep on circling for the next 20 minutes. We are still in the air. We are now in Malawi. We are now in Lilongwe, you can be able to see. The captain is just circling. Is just circling. Is now banking to the left side. Is banking to the left. Circling for 20 minutes is a big challenge because waiting for 20 minutes for clearance is a very big challenge. This is Malawi Airline, Boeing 737. We have spent 2 hours from Nairobi to Lilongwe. We have already spent 2 good hours from Nairobi. We departed at 15 minutes past 6 a.m. in the morning from Nairobi. Is now banking. The captain is now banking to the right hand side. The captain has already apologized for this. He has said we wait for the next 20 minutes for the weather condition in Kamuzu International Airport to get better so that they can be able to get a clearance to land. That's what the captain said. Now we are circling in the air. We are just circling nearby here. You can be able to see we are not moving, we are just circling. Is now banking to the left side. The captain is banking to the left side. We are still here, same place. Let's wait and hear what the captain will say if he has been given a clearance to land. Is again banking to the right hand side. It's now making a U-turn. We are still in the long way. Everybody is silent now. The captain is still circling while waiting for clearance to land. Is making another banking to the left side. We are still waiting, still in the air. We are banking again to the right hand side. We are still rotating in the airspace of Lilongwe. This is Malawi Airline, Boeing 737. We are still rotating We are not moving, we are just rotating. We are waiting for clearance to land. Aircraft registration, it is Echo Tango Alpha Papa Oscar. We are still on hold. We are still on hold, waiting for we are still on hold for many minutes now. We are still circling. Aircraft registration, it is ET Alpha Papa Oscar. Still waiting. The curtain is again descending. It's now descending again. We are still rotating in the wrong way, waiting for clearance to land. On my side, I can see the weather is very clear, though there are few clouds. The captain again is ascending. We are again banking to the right hand side. We are just rotating. The captain has already apologized for us to wait for 20 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain, as mentioned, we have a fog over the West National Airport and the onset of an early winter. At this stage, we are commencing the descent to attempt an approach. The air traffic controller's observation visibility has improved. So we can basically attempt an approach into the long range. At this stage, weather permitting, estimated to be landing approximately 10 minutes. Once again, our flight, the arrival delayed due to the onset of early winter. To be precise, fog reported at Kuwait International Airport. Thank you in advance for your understanding and patience.
So the captain has said that he is now going to try to land. So he's now going to try to land. He has said the feasibility was very poor, but for now has improved. So he's going to try. So we are now going to try. He's now going to try to land in Kamuzu International Airport. Keep updated. I've never experienced a weather condition. This is my first time to experience the weather condition. Now the captain is descending now. The captain is descending to Kamuzu International Airport. Can we able to see? That's the visibility. The captain is trying now. We are now descending to Kamosu International Airport. As per to the captain, he said the weather condition, I mean the visibility was not good. So for now it has improved, so he's going to try to land. Again he's banking. The captain is banking to the left side. Aircraft registration number is Echo Tango Alpha Papa Oscar. This is Malawi Airline flight from Nairobi to Lilongwe. The aircraft departed 15 minutes past 6 a.m. in the morning. We are approaching Kamuzu International Airport. The captain said the spirit was very poor. Now it has improved, so it is now to attempt to land. We are now descending. We are descending now. Be seated before landing. So the captain has requested the cabin crew members to sit down for landing. Now we are landing in Kamuzu International Airport. The captain is approaching the runway. We are now landing in Kamuzu International Airport. There is a lot of fog. There is a lot of fog outside. We are now landing. There is poor visibility. There is a poor visibility. You can be able to see. The captain is attempting to land at this visibility. Very poor visibility. We are landing in a very poor visibility, but the captain just said he is now attempting to land. So the captain is allowed to try to land for 3 times. So if it is not possible, then he can be able to divert the aircraft to another airport. So we are now attempting to land now. This is Echo Tango Alpha Papa Oscar. The aircraft is registered in Ethiopia but is now operated by Malawian Airlines. There is poor visibility. The captain is trying to land, but there is poor visibility. is my first time to land in Malawi, while we have a poor visibility. I normally land when there is a good visibility. Now we are landing, we are touching down the next few minutes. Finally, we are on the ground now. Finally, we are on the ground after remaining on hold for 20 minutes.
Bado na mabwana tawala tabala tegera kama uso kuna kule langwai ndio kwa pande na kaibe ni kati ya mpaka tegere minato tuanze tunazote make maramba sasa misiba bojo lo kacha ndio msewalo tenda katoto ni swapanja ndipo mara moja na tundu yo sasa kule masamala kwa tenda tundu na katiko kwando kwa teka ino kapena sano kwa wasanga mnajitani kwa badala potsika tuko pempando na kaibe kampando ano tukutsika kwa malizida pamene kingateko kwa zote mkasi ino kwa sababu tunaendelea kusanga Harare London Johannesburg uganda kutsika ndosika ndosikelale ndo malama Malawi Airlines kapitana desidi pedonse tokulira kuti manja namboleka bwino komzaliraso chimodzimodzi tsogolomo dziko labwino kwene nonse zikomo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kamuzu International Airport in Lilongwe. For safety reasons, the strong edge of passengers remain seated until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. We also remind you to collect your items of hand luggage with you from the cabin when disembarking. Please take extra care when opening overhead lockers, as some luggage may have shifted during landing. Passengers for Lilongwe will be required to clear customs, health and immigration formalities here, so please have your travel documents ready for inspection after disembarking. Passengers requiring special assistance should disembark last and should bladder system. Passengers proceeding on to Lusaka, Harare, Rwanda, and Johannesburg are requested to disembark and proceed to the transit lounge. On behalf of Malawi Airlines, Captain Fernandez and the rest of the crew, I'd like to thank you for flying Malawi Airlines from the heart of Africa. Have a good day and goodbye.
Thank you. In Chachewa, they say Sikomo.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is your captain. Welcome to Malaysia International Airport in Lilongwe. As mentioned, the current temperature is 18 degrees centigrade. For our esteemed passengers in your journey here in Lilongwe, we'd like to thank you for your valued support. We look forward to having the pleasure of serving you again in the not too distant future. Take this opportunity to remind you of the frequent flyer program, Shiva Miles, with our partner Ethiopian Airlines Star Alliance member, the new Spirit of Africa. In addition, we recommend downloading a mobile application from either the websites of Malawi, Ethiopian Airlines, as well as Google Play or the App Store, wishing you a pleasant stay in Lilongwe. And finally, for those passengers with onward connections, as mentioned, you're requested to disembark, proceed to the transit lounge. Nonetheless, we'd like to wish you a pleasant and safe onward journey. And once again, thank you for your patience and understanding with the delayed arrival of the service due to the weather in Lilongwe. Thank you and goodbye.
The captain has apologized for 20 minutes delay on arrival in Kamuzu International Airport. The reason was poor visibility here in Kamuzu International Airport. In aviation culture, it is better for giving an apology to the passengers and being sorry to them as the way the captain has done, because that is our aviation culture. That is the control tower of Kamuzu International Airport. So the captain would make a right turn to the bay. So this is how Kamuzu International Airport looks like. So we are taxiing to the bay. We are taxiing to the stop, to the stand. There are few aircrafts on the ground. You can be able to see another Malawi Airline aircraft, Boeing 737. But the core buses are already on the ground. The equipment are already on the ground. Passenger stairs. This is Kamuzu International Airport. The airport was named after their first president, Dr. Kamuzu Banda. I've seen the Mashara. This is the aircraft portable, the vehicle that carries potable water. Now we have landed safely in Malawi. Landing in Malawi is like landing in a home. If you are a Kenyan and you are landing in Malawi, or any other nationality and you are landing in Malawi, Malawi is like home. The APU has been switched off.
Through disarm your doors, cross-check and confirm.
So the cabin crew members are supposed to disarm the door. Now it is time to disembark from this aircraft.